Mommy, happy Mother's Day. I love you a billion. I love you a billion. We love you so much. And we love you because you're our mom. We like to kiss you. We like to kiss you. Well, what you do that makes you the best mommy in the whole world is the table. The table. Is that you give us food to eat. Tables on the table.
Mommy's the best mommy in the world because of the table.
No. The table. Hug me and kiss and kiss me. And a funny thing, like I do. Mama, do you know what I want you to love forever, to remember forever and ever? That I love you. That I love you. That I love you.